If you notice your formula sheet, everybody look at your formula sheet. This has two columns on it. One has a y equal parabola and one has an x equal parabola, okay? If you are on a y equal parabola, you're only going to look here. Do not get them confused. If you're on x equal parabola, you're going to look here. The formulas are a little bit different and you need to make sure you've got everything you need. So I'm going to write the vertex form of a y equal parabola underneath this, and it's y equals a x minus h squared plus k. So other than x and y, you're going to see a's, h's, and k's, okay? And once we get to other shapes, you're going to have a, b, c, h, and k. But the parabola is the only real different one, and the circle. So what is the a in this equation here? What is the a? 1, because there's an invisible 1 right here that you don't see, but you can put it in if it makes you happy. What is the h? Be careful. What is the h?
A -2.
Very good. It's a -2 because it's going to be the opposite of whoever is in there. And what is the k?
+19.
Nope, you don't change that sign. That one's a -19 because it has a plus k. You see it? You only change the ones that have a minus in front of them. So since the h has a negative, then you have to change that. Okay? So now they're going to ask us for 3 things. What are they asking for here? They're asking for the vertex, the axis of symmetry, and the direction of the opening. So once we do this, and I want you to do this for every one, I'm going to be looking for that little chart somewhere. You're going to do the vertex, axis of symmetry, and the direction of the opening. Okay, that's what all we're doing today. So look at your formula sheet. You're on the y equals side. What is the formula for the vertex?
H times k.
Not times, that's a point.
H and k.
It's a point, hk, right? So what is your vertex going to be, Will?
It will be -2 and then 19.
-2 what?
-2 and -19.
Very good. There's your vertex. What is the formula for axis of symmetry? It's the very first thing. Krug.
X equals 8.
All right, so that's an equation that they want. It's an equation of the axis of symmetry. So x equals h would be x equals what?
-2.
-2. Very good. And what does it say about the direction of the opening? It says it goes up if a is positive, and it goes down if a is negative. So which way do you think it's going to go?
Down.
Is a positive or negative?
No, it's positive. Up.
So it goes up. On the x equals, I'm going to write the formula for the x because it's different than the y, and it's a y minus k squared plus h. You see it on the right side of your formula sheet? So now, what is a?
1/4.
1/4. Nicholas, what is h?
4.
Very good, +4. And what is k?
-1.
-1. You guys are in good shape, right? So now you have the vertex. And the vertex is, what is the vertex going to be?
It will be 4 and then -1.
4, -1, hk. Vertex, the formula is the same. All right, the axis of symmetry is what? Read the formula for axis of symmetry and tell me what it is.
Y equals k.
Okay, so it's y equals what?
-1.
Got it. And Nicholas, what is the direction of the opening?
Up.
Nope.
No.
Look at the...
Right.
Very good. For the first time in your math career, you're starting to see parabolas that are going to be facing to the right like that. Okay?